Welcome to Grammar Guardian.
1. It blank be cold yesterday. Two. She blank be hungry. Three. We blank be late for the meeting. Four. I blank be tired last night. Five. The exam blank be difficult. Six. They blank be in Berlin. Seven. You blank be in the library when I called you. Eight. The holiday blank be fun. Nine. He blank be early for the interview. Ten. The people we met last night blank be French. Eleven. That woman blank not be Spanish. Twelve. Julie blank not be late for the class. 13. The food blank not be very good. 14. They blank not be my uncle and aunt. 15. I blank not be rude to the waitress. 16. The test blank not be easy. 17. We blank not be tired when we arrived. 18. They blank not be on the bus when I called. 19. You blank not be here when she came. 20. He blank not be my boyfriend.